You can be very creative when it comes to video making. However, video on science topics needs a little more planning. This will ensure that students get most out of it. Science related videos can be broken into these different categories based on the purpose these videos serve. Many times, any one video contains a mix and match of these categories. Let us look at these categories one by one. Activity-based video has the most appeal, as it explains the concept well with demonstration. In this demonstration video, the concept of regulation is explained with the help of syringe and copper wire. Use of everyday resources in the activity also means that students are likely to perform this activity at home themselves. Close-ups are taken to show key events. Variations are suggested in the end. Video ends with some task for student to perform. One can use simulation to explain difficult concepts. Simulations also enable students to try out the concept themselves with variations. This is very popular as no consumables are required to perform activity. In this PHET simulation, electrical circuit can be built using components provided. Student can change values of the components as well as try different types of connections, series and parallel. You can create a complete video on how to use simulation or explain key concepts with the help of simulation along with the activity. These simulations can be tried on mobile as well. Assignment videos which include simulation-based exercise can be a good choice. In this sample video, the focal length of the mirror is calculated. Simulation is shown side by side for each variation. This category is used to explain impossible concepts like nuclear fusion, fission, or invisible concepts like movement of electrons inside an atom or conductor. Complex mechanisms and processes are good candidates for animation. In this sample video, presenter is explaining about a concept of microwave. Creating good animation can be challenging. Better take help of a professional animator for the same. When it comes to explaining formula derivation on the screen or mathematical equation, screencast is a preferred option. You can write derivation on the blackboard or computer and record the same for the video. Screenomatic, TinyTake, Sketchbook are some of the softwares which can be used for this purpose. Free versions have some limitations, but these are enough for our requirements. Lecture or information sharing is another category. Presenter can just record his session on the screen. Some teaching aids, PowerPoint presentation can also be used during this session. In this video series, we'll focus only on activity-based videos and related best practices. Let's look at some best practices along with the examples. In this video, power of reading glasses is found with the help of basic setup. Relation between focal length of the lens and its power is explored. Same is verified with the activity. Focal length for this lens should be 1 upon the power, that is 1 meter divided by 1.5 or 100 centimeter divided by 1.5, which is approximately 66 centimeter. We will place one part of the glass or lens in the path of parallel rays coming from lasers. Distance between two rays will change. Speed of sound is calculated with the help of resonance phenomena. Length of an air column and known frequency is used for the same in a second. Incoming and reflected pulse results in a standing wave pattern. Centimeters, that is 37.12 centimeters, which is 0.3712 meters. When we multiply frequency and wavelength, we get a speed of sound, which is 334 meter per second. Sound, including real-life examples, applications based on the concept is always advisable. Archimedes' principle is discussed followed by its usage. Actual footage of a local dairy and its use of lactometer to check quality of milk is shown as well. When immersed in water, lactometer floats with a 0 mark visible. Once lactometer stabilizes, here mechanism of Archimedes screw is discussed followed by its usage in the field. Thread of the screw. Archimedes applied the principle of screw to help farmers lift and move water from river to fields. Today, this screw is also used for movement of grains, slurry and other industrial products. Instead of water, we will use grain. Usage of keywords in the narration should be highlighted on the screen as well. The temperature at which this change occurs is called Curie temperature or Curie point. A screw is an inclined plane that is wrapped around a cylinder. The ridges formed are called threads. It will be good if our activity setup is kept similar to the one in the textbook. DC motor schematic explains the interaction between current and magnetic fields. Same notation and setup is followed in the activity as well. Direction of current, direction of magnetic field is shown by drawing lines on the activity setup itself, instead of using board or notebook separately. Here, circuit layout is similar to the one in the textbook for parallel as well as other type of connection. When it comes to comparing things, we can use a single frame to show the result. Sine wave for different amplitude and period settings are shown side by side in this single frame. Try this at home. Thank you. When this is not possible, two frames can be combined in the video editor and results shown in the single frame. Amount of steel balls attracted by the magnet is based on its strength. Magnets of different strengths are used and comparison is collectively shown on the screen. In this video, comparison discusses effect of focal length when two lenses are placed next to each other instead of just one. Each activity must be followed by some task for students to perform. It can be some variation of the activity shown or request to find an answer to a specific scenario. Try this at home. Performing the same activity with alternative materials is a good way to promote resourcefulness. Only couple of variations are enough. Do not show all the possible variations, even if you know those. Leave that task to students and you will be surprised with the kind of options they come up with. Materials lying around the house can be a good alternative for pulley made from card sheet in this activity. As a good habit, documentation is the key. If dimensions and related information is shared in the video itself, it becomes easier to reproduce the activity by students afterwards. Sometimes we also forget the details about the setup. 36 gauge coated copper wire is used for winding. Let us keep around 1 feet of wire outside the bobbin. We will start winding wire around the bobbin. 500 turns are good enough. Repeating the same process multiple times and considering the average of the finding is a good practice and should be reflected during the activity performed. Safety must be topmost priority. Teach students how to deal with fire, sharp objects like paper knife used to cut card sheet, interaction with sun, and they will follow in the right spirit. Show its proper usage and precautions to be taken in the video. Don't forget to mention need to have adult supervision during the activity if required. You can take help of other shadows as well while you are watching this. Now, highlight objects with common shapes so that focus is directed towards those objects. This highlighting action must be synced with narration if present. Image distance and focal length of spherical mirrors. Same can be frame rate of 240, that is 240 frames per second. I calculated the number of frames required to cover the distance of 14 cm for this. Like this fruit vendor. He is balancing 1 kg of known mass with a set of apples. Instead of using a separate notebook or blackboard for explaining the concept, use the current setup itself and explain the findings on the same. How to do it, we will see later. Use current is like this, from negative to positive terminal. LED will not glow. Let us You can ask students to perform an activity while you record it. Other students are more likely to do this activity themselves once they see their friend doing the activity. Students also get a good feeling about doability of the activity. Very slow processes like opening of this flower can be captured with the help of a time-lapse feature of your camera. Processes which occur very fast can be captured with the high frame rate feature of your camera, like bursting of this balloon. Multiple objects present in the setup can be easily addressed if they are colored. Here, two toothpicks are rotating around a point. I can just address each one by color, red toothpick and green toothpick. Prefer things which are easily available and accessible in home or at school while designing an activity. You might have performed 2-3 iterations of an activity before actually shooting it. Also include some of its footage in the final video. Students should not get an impression that it is very easy and everything just works fine the first time. This activity, I used Inkscape software to build various profiles. Thank you. It is important to share failures as well. Whatever is the outcome of your experiment or activity, do share it with students and try to explain possible reasons why results were not as per the expectations. Many times, readings on the instrument are not clearly visible for the viewer. It's good practice to zoom in on the display and show the reading in text side by side. Video is the one-way communication. It is better to provide some gap or pauses in between. Gaps enable students to think and predict what may happen next. After the video, mention your name or email so that viewer can contact you later if need be.
Sheet can also be used instead of a PVC sheet. Thank you.
Apart from these, there are some other key points to keep in mind. Normal guideline is to keep video duration up to 5 minutes. Students tend to skip videos if duration is more than 5 minutes. It's better to spend your time, money and energy on designing activities which are really difficult to understand than simple ones. Your explanation of the concept in the video is more effective if you use local language, use simple local words for difficult concepts. Our objective should be to convey the concept so that students are comfortable with it. Jargons, use of English language, if found difficult, should be avoided. या तिन्ही बाटल्यांची सरासरी घनता 0.63. Towards the end of the video, it's better to summarize what we have discussed. This is the normal practice followed in the classroom as well. Best practices discussed so far may not be applicable to all the videos all the time. But it's good to know what to consider during planning. You can decide based on the type of activity you have chosen for the video. But it's good to know what to consider during planning phase. Thank you.